All I know, Larry, is life is a race, and nobody wants to be a loser.
Did I ever tell you about the turtle and the rabbit? Well, now see, a cousin of mine decided to race a jackrabbit. Everyone told him, "You're crazy. A turtle ain't built for speed." But he went ahead anyway. And you know, the darndest thing happened.
Just gonna spitball here. The turtle got to the finish line first.
No, never saw him again. Crazy varmint had no sense of direction.
That's a good one, Larry.
Hey!
Not a frog. Sorry, Larry. You okay?
I'm all right. You're fine. Clear my sinuses.
Wind up with yourself. Like I'm gonna take advice from a talking rock.
Just to recap, Locke, this is not a drill. Chances of fatality at this point are exceptionally slim. Only 1 in 5 of us are likely to die. Excellent form, it roots just like a leaf. Keep form, keep feet. All right, Locke, keep it loose. Fly like a goose. I'm kidding, keep the beat.
Sorry I'm late, Dad.
Did you? I was really worried about you for a second there.
Sorry, Dad. I really tried to talk some sense into Peg.
Sense into pain? Be easier to train a frog to fly. No offense, Johnson.
This broken arrow hangs over my head. Hold steady, oh, hold steady. Keep your eyes on me when the closing